Great, let's create a position. So from the home screen, let's go to the Positions tab up top. And here from the Positions page, you can see various positions. And in this case, we're going to assume that you want to add a position that's not already there. Click here, and you'll be prompted with the information that you need to enter. So in this case, we'll say an HR manager. Here would be the hiring manager. And this would be the either company, department, team, client that you're hiring for. Here you have a chance to enter in the position type. And here you copy from an existing template. There's already over 100 templates in there. And in this case, we're going to use HR. And just so you know, if there's no symbol there, then essentially that means that you created a template using an existing position. But for now, let's just see if there is an HR manager. There is. So we're going to add it. And this takes us to the next screen. And you can see some of the information's already been populated. Feel free to add additional information or make changes if you need be. Tap here and you'll see even more important information, such as the position description, the required skills, desired skills. And feel free to make any edits, or just know that all you have to do is tap in the box and start typing. You can add a URL link or attach the file as well for the position, depending on your preferences. Scrolling down, here you have an opportunity to schedule the interview. We do this to try and make things easier for you, in the sense that a message and notification will be sent out to the various people involved. It's typically a hiring manager, a recruiter, an interviewer, a candidate. You'd enter in the information, the candidate name, the round, time. You would hit schedule. And just know, if you didn't want it to go to the candidate for some reason, simply just select here, and that message will be suppressed. You would normally hit schedule. I'm going to hit cancel to show you some of the other features, such as assigning a candidate. You can use an existing candidate. If the existing candidate is not there, simply tap here. You would enter the new candidate information. But for now, let's use an existing candidate. Let's say Cynthia. I'm going to add to the position. You can see that it works. It's populated down here. Another nice feature is being able to submit the candidate. Essentially sending a package of information about the candidate, including contact information, a PDF of the candidate report, the resume, and all you have to do is hit submit, enter in the email and the name, and that'll get sent right away. Down here you're going to see the interviewing sequence. With the interviewing sequence, essentially it's the round of interviews that you go through for this particular position. Usually it's pretty standard, but if you need to change it, that's very easy to do. You can simply click here, add in the information, hit return or enter. It'll be added. So let's just add one, just to show you. Let's say we want to add a in-person round. Just type it in. There you go. But you might notice it might not be in the right order that you want it to be in. So let's just select it, drag it, and move it. And there you go. You also may notice that it says Add Question Sheet. Well, obviously there's a round of questions that are associated with that round. So just simply add the questions, select here, and there you go. We typed in this case, HR interview. You can see the questions are populated. This is going to save you time by having those questions in there already. And you would follow that process for the different rounds. Let me show you the scorecard feature. Here's where it really breaks down the skills for you. It's so important to get these competencies covered in your questioning so that you know that you're hiring the right person for the right with the right skills for the right job. So you take a look here and you can see how many questions are being asked about that particular skill. And you might want to change that. Maybe you need to ask more questions about a particular skill. That's easily done. So in the next video, we'll show you how to conduct an interview.